Hello friends, myself Manisha Hemant Deshpande, Assistant Professor in Mathematics at Pimpri-Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Ravet, as well as Admission in charge of this college since last 4 years. Today I will be discussing with you the admission process for 2021. Till last year we had 3 rounds of CAP. So what do we mean by CAP? How do we go about these rounds? Everything I will be explaining to you. Basically, in this admission process there are 4 steps. Step 1, answering CET exam and getting the results. Step 2, applying online on CET cell through your login, CET login and password. Then verification of the documents at the facilitation center. Last year it was in person, but this year it will be e-verification. After that you have to fill option form. Okay, that comes in step 2 only. Option form, you have to give the preferences. Various preferences, 300 preferences you can give, and then followed by that you will be given allotment to the college. So after allotment you will have to go to the ARC center, Admission Regularity Center, where you have to accept the seat that has been given to you by CET cell. And finally you have to go to the college. So now I will explain in detail these 4 steps. Step 1 you have already done, that is answering the CET exam and getting the results. So by 28th of November you will be getting the results, and then the process will start. Detailed schedule is not been given. Once that detailed schedule is given, again I will prepare a different video and share it with you. So step 2 after that, after getting your result, is applying online for the central admission process, which is CAP. How you are going to do this? So you have to go to the DT Maharashtra website, use your CET login and password, and fill the application form for admission process 2021, as well as upload your original colored scanned documents of 10th mark list, 12th mark list, then your CET scorecard, JEE scorecard if you have, then your nationality domicile, your living certificate. These are in general. For category students, they will have to upload their documents of caste. For defense quota, they will have to upload their performance, and so on. After you upload, facilitation center comes into picture. They are going to verify your original documents. So how they are going to verify it? This year it will be E, that is online. All these documents which you have uploaded will be cross-checked by the facilitation center, which will be allotted to you by the CET cell. You are not going to select, neither the facilitation center will be selecting you. Automatically the software will be selecting the students and the facilitation center, and they will cross-check your documents. Once your documents are being cross-checked, your marks which are entered will be considered and you will be getting a merit number, which will be seen by you at the cutoffs. Various colleges have put their cutoffs on their website. So you can go through that and you will understand what was the merit number for last year students. Depending on that, you have to compare your merit number which you will get from the CET cell. So that is step 2. In step 2, followed by this verification, obtaining the merit number, you have to also fill the option form. So what is this option form now? There are 300 choices that you can fill. In all over Maharashtra, the colleges which are there for engineering, out of those colleges you have to give preferences of 300, maximum 300 and minimum 1. So if your percentile is say around 97, how you are going to fill this option form? Last year, the colleges which had percentile more than 97 can be in your first top 10, or this should be your dream colleges, top 10 colleges. After that, maybe around 25 to 30 colleges you can feel the ones very new fit. लास्ट ईयर कुछ कॉलेजेस के परसेंटाइल 97 में रहेंगे रेंज में, तो उस रेंज वाले कॉलेजेस एक 25 से 30 कॉलेजेस आप वो फिल करो ऑप्शन फॉर्म में. और उसके बाद एक 20 कॉलेजेस व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू फिल द वंस वेयर इन द कट ऑफ वाज 96 और 95, मे बी दिस ईयर इट विल कम टू 97. सो लास्ट ईयर जिनका 97 था वो अगर 98 हुए तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन जिनका 95 था वो जब 97 पे आए हैं दिस ईयर यू विल गेट दोज कॉलेजेस. So this way you have to fill the option form, which can be from minimum 1 to maximum 300. But if your percentiles are good, then you can fill around 60 colleges also. After this, you will be allotted by the CET cell the actual college. In round 1, you will get a college. Say you gave 60 colleges and you got the 20th college. So if that college is good enough for you, it's close by to your house and all the processes which are being handled in that colleges are very good, you can take the admission. For that you have to freeze. From your login only you can freeze the option, but for the acceptance of this seat you will have to go to the ARC center, that is step 3, admission regulating center. So what are the centers? These centers will be displayed on the website of DT Maharashtra. So there either you have to go in personal, this year most probably that also will be online only. So you have to pay the fees of 1000 rupees for seat acceptance, and then you have actually entered the center admission process. जो आपको मिला है वो आपने फ्रीज कर लिया तो आप राउंड 2 में एप्लीकेबल नहीं होंगे, तो लेकिन वो कॉलेज आपको मिल गया, आप डायरेक्टली स्टेप 4 में जाओगे, एडमिशन लो उस कॉलेज में, आपका प्रोसेस कंप्लीट। अगर सपोज आपको 20वां कॉलेज मिला है बट व्हाट यू वांट टू ऑप्ट फॉर 1 to 19, तो उसके लिए दूसरा चॉइस होता है फ्लोट या फिर बेटरमेंट। तो उसमें क्या होगा, जो आपको कॉलेज मिला है 20th कॉलेज इफ यू हैव गॉट दैट विल रिमेन, बट इन राउंड 2 व्हेन यू गो, इफ सपोज यू आर एलिजिबल टू गेट फ्रॉम 1 to 19, उसमें से कोई भी कॉलेज मिला तो ये 20th कॉलेज चला जाएगा और उस अपर वाला आपको मिल जाएगा, यू विल गेट दी 1 to 19। सो while putting the options, see to it that 20th option से 1 से 19 जो है, those options will be better than 20th, because अगर राउंड 2 में आपको ऊपर वाला कॉलेज मिल गया और नीचे वाला, ये तो ऑब्वियसली चला जाता है। सो ऐसे नहीं डिपेंड करना है कि बाद में आपको पता चला कि 20th कॉलेज वॉज गुड एंड द अबव कॉलेजेस वर नॉट सो गुड। सो ऑप्शन फॉर्म भरते समय यू हैव टू टेक वेरी मच गुड केयर। सो आपको फ्रीज और फ्लोट समझ में आया? फ्रीज मतलब जो कॉलेज मिला है वो लेना ही पड़ेगा, फ्लोट मतलब whatever you got you are happy but I want the higher priority. And then step 4 comes, ARC में एक ही बार जाना है, उसके बाद ज़्यादा नहीं जाना है। लास्ट स्टेप होगा कॉलेज में जाना। जो कॉलेज में आपको एडमिशन मिला है, राउंड 2 हो गया, राउंड 1 हो गया, राउंड 2 हो गया, दोनों राउंड के बाद जो भी आपको मिला है वो आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा, एंड therefore that you have to go to the college, take your all original documents, fees of that college and the verification documents from your ARC एंड फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर, ये सब लेकर आपको जिस कॉलेज में आपको एडमिशन मिला है वहां पे जाना पड़ेगा और आपका एडमिशन कंफर्म करना पड़ेगा। देन योर एडमिशन प्रोसेस विल बी कंप्लीट। इन केस इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट फॉर दिस वट एवर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन, यू कैन click on the website of our college, which is www.pccr.in, and you'll get the contact number. Definitely you can contact us and ask your queries. Thank you very much.